8 life skills to help you improve your personality. With regards to cleaning your abilities and improving your character, the conceivable outcomes are inestimable. On the off chance that you utilize the assets, you can learn new abilities and grow new ones. Building up the character can have a great deal of constructive outcomes on your life and vocation. There was a conviction that nature is perpetual and it is beyond the realm of imagination to expect to transform it. The character is a normal example of practices, thinking, and they are exceptional. With extraordinary exertion, you can improve your propensities and the example of reasoning. Here are a few hints that will assist you in improving your character. 1. Become a better listener. If you are a good listener, you can learn a lot from your surroundings. Being an excellent listener is a very good skill. When you listen to other people, you give them importance. They also pay more attention to you and will become more engaging. It allows people to be more open to you and they will comfortably share any information with you. If someone listens to you intently, it makes you feel important. You provide the same feeling to other people by being a good listener. Try to instill this trait in your personality. 2. Expanding your interest. It is always good for the mental health to develop your interests. It will keep the mind fresh, and it will help in cultivating the new interests. It will also make you more attractive to others as you will always have new things to share and talk about. It instills you with more confidence and also provides you with an opportunity to share your views with people who have the same interests as you. You need to be creative and think outside the box. The interests can be literary or physical. 3. Becoming a better conversationalist. When you know your interests, and are well versed in them, you will have more confidence to talk about them. Having more knowledge means that you can contribute more to the conversation. If you want people to listen to you, it is important that you are an impressive talker. It is not possible to know everything, and if you are good in making conversations, then you will be able to share your knowledge and learn from others as well. 4. Meeting new people. Always make an effort to meet new people. Engaging with people provides you with a lot of experience, and you can learn so much from different people. Meeting new people can expose you to new cultures, ideas, opinions, and it expands your mind. Meeting new people makes you more tolerant towards other people. It can broaden your horizons. 5. Polishing interpersonal skills. Interpersonal skills are the core competencies for a successful life. These skills are useful for communicating and interacting on a daily basis. These skills are needed not just for individual interactions, but also in groups. You can work on developing good interpersonal skills. It is not just important in professional life, it is also vital for personal lives. These skills include listening, building connections and persuasion. 6. Developing leadership skills. You may have heard the saying that leaders are born, but it is not entirely accurate. If you want to achieve success in your professional life, it is important that you seek to develop and polish your leadership skills. Employees always look forward to improving them because it includes dealing with people and motivating them. 7. Presentation skills. If you want to make sure that you can get your message across to other people, you need to have effective presentation skills. These skills are required in almost all fields. You need to have all the necessary skills like speaking and creativity to make the best use of your presentation skills. 8. Treating people with respect. It is important that when you make promises to people, you fulfill them. Honesty and truthfulness are essential qualities for an effective and good personality. You can only earn respect and admiration of others if you extend the same feelings towards them. If you have integrity and respect, then your personality will shine among many others. Respect others and yourself so that you have an excellent life.